Hi, this is Corey Chambers in Los Angeles. Your home sold guaranteed or I'll buy it. Thanks for taking a minute to listen in. In a moment, I'll share with you some valuable information about this topic. Los Angeles Loft. If you see any properties that are of interest to you, let us know. We will gladly send you a property information packet on any loft, condo, or house, or we will arrange for a private preview upon request. If you have a home you'd like to sell, you should know that I will guarantee the sale of your present home at a price acceptable to you, or I'll buy it for cash. This guarantee will allow you to buy your next home without worrying about selling your present home. To find out how much you could sell your home for, call me at 213-880-9910 now. Here's a beautiful SB Grand Loft in downtown Los Angeles. This is right across the street from Pershing Square Park. And this one is really fixed up nicely with a modern interior design and decor. And it has those big windows and sliding glass door to the private balcony. There's a peekaboo view of downtown Los Angeles there. This one has a beautiful concrete character, and you can right outside the window is a beautiful original brick of the building. So, looking for a loft in Los Angeles? The LA Loft Blog weblog publication website is a free service provided by the Corey Chambers team, a full-service real estate brokerage specializing in loft sales and leasing. We can help you search all Los Angeles lofts. Here's reader questions for today. Looks like there's one question. Question: how can I get a quick floor plan layout of a loft condo in downtown Los Angeles? The answer is there are two types of files that provide a visual of the layout for specific loft buildings and individual condominium units in downtown Los Angeles. The first type is a unit floor plan with inside details of the condominium unit interior. That includes the dimensions in feet and inches. And then the second type is a tax map that's provided by the county assessor's office. The tax map shows only the building and the outer perimeters of the condo units in low resolution. It omits the bathrooms, and other inner walls of the unit are not in it. The individual floor plan, the detailed one, is sometimes a bit harder to find because it's only occasionally provided by builders, developers, sellers, real estate agents, or it's custom measured and written by a professional floor plan service. The LA Loft Blog has a free service that provides both a quick county assessor's map, which includes the low-resolution basic floor plans of all the units, plus that specific detailed floor plan unit when it's available, all at no charge. Prospective buyers and renters really appreciate a floor plan that has dimensions of the units, and they often like to discuss potentially seeing the property in person. So a private in-person preview tour of each interior is available upon request. And also right here, there's a free quick floor plan with tax map, just where you can get a free building layout that includes the unit floor plan and that tax assessor plat map just by filling out this form. It includes the property details, the owner's information, and that rough floor plan on the buildings with the condo units, plus the detailed floor plan is also provided automatically when it is available. Just fill out this short form right here. That's all you got to do to get that for free. Here's a picture of a loft that I just took today. Took a renter to see this loft for lease in Hollywood. This is right in the primo part of Hollywood, right there on the corner of Hollywood and Vine, right by the Capitol Records building, and all the famous stuff is there, including a couple loft condo buildings. This is the Broadway Hollywood building, and right across the corner is the beautiful Hollywood and Vine lofts. Hollywood and Vine area is a prime location for fun. Just take a look at that. All right, so thank you for taking a look at this LA Loft Blog post called Los Angeles Loft. And my name's Corey Chambers. Your home sold guaranteed or I'll buy it. We're in Los Angeles. Thanks for taking a look. As I mentioned, a property information packet is available on any loft, condo, or house, or private preview is available upon request. Call 213-880-9910 now. Thanks again, and you take care. Bye-bye.